Guys, and welcome to my second day at the Gibraltar Heritage Trust Gardens here at the main guard in the center of Gibraltar. Today was my second day volunteering to take care of this little Mediterranean patio garden. And with the weather we've been having lately, it's been a little bit cold and it's been a little bit rainy. So today I just spent the day cleaning up some different areas, sweeping up behind the pots, dumping out some water, and mainly just making the space look kind of clean and bright. As we move into mid-February and into March, we'll see that the temperatures will probably start increasing, and maybe we'll see a little bit more on the plant development side of things. However, so far, things are going great here at this volunteer position, taking care of the little mini patio garden here at the Gibraltar Heritage Trust. And while I was cleaning today, I even found a little snail, and the goldfish came out. I think I'm gonna try to feed them and see if they come up to the surface. So I've got a couple little pets here.